So, do you guys know Brenda Miranda? Now, I've been keeping in touch with another YouTuber, and he makes some really good videos. He doesn't have that many subscribers though, which is kind of weird because his stuff is really top notch. So anyways, we got into talking. We thought we'd make a little kind of collaboration, and we issued each other kind of a challenge, which actually is not too much of a challenge to me, I think. We're trying to find the way up the mountain, but not gonna lie, it's a little confusing, but we'll get there eventually. The way I came across this mountain is one day I was out shooting at night in the rain, and I just spotted it like right out of the corner of my eye. There's a mountain over there, and seems kind of weird to me since I don't even know if I'm going the right way. So this is basically why I love Seoul. You know, you can just get lost exploring different areas. Like, I don't even know where I am, you know, but it's quite lovely. Like, I love these small crooked alleys and just swirl around. But anyways, enough about this. Go check out Brendan's channel. Tell him I sent you, you know. I wanted to just throw this out there that if there's anyone out there who wants to do a collab, just hit me up, you know. I'm not like too big to not talk to people, you know, because you know some of those YouTubers, like, they won't even reply to your comments or things like that, but I never want to be like that basically. But anyways, if there's anyone out there who wants to do a collaboration, I don't care if you're 100 subscribers or 100,000 or whatever, and you want to do a collab, just let me know, you know, leave a comment. And yeah, let's get to shooting. So this is today's gear. It's my iPhone, and this is the cheapo Chinese lens I bought. It just screws on like this. So basically just like that, and we have this nice little cheap stand that's gonna help us shoot. So yeah, it's very rare to get nice not so polluted days like today, so this is like the perfect time to shoot. So this is my normal view, and this is with the cheapo Chinese lens. I mean, the view ain't bad, you know. It's either this or no picture at all. And I know it's a little soft around the edges, but you know, in this channel we don't care about technicalities. We just care about the art and photography. And right now we're enjoying shooting this. And yeah. We don't care about all these small details. We care about the bigger picture. I want to remind you to please go check out Brendan's YouTube channel and put that link down below. Tell him I say what's up, that I sent you, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoy his stuff because he's a pretty cool guy, and I generally enjoy watching his videos. But yeah, as for this little contraption, it's a little soft, I'm not gonna lie, but I don't really care, you know. I still enjoy shooting, and it's a picture I would not have had otherwise, you know, out of a cheapo Chinese lens. But anyways, we're waiting for the blue hour, which is the best time to take photos in my opinion, and let's keep shooting. You know, a lot of people like to make a big deal out of photography bags, and this is my bag. I know people sometimes ask me like, what kind of bag do you use, blah blah blah. It's like, it's not gonna help you be a better photographer, you know. It might make you look the part, but anyways, I got this backpack at Payless or something. It costs like $5, and yeah, it's just a bag and you put your camera in it. That's it. Alright, so it's more or less blue hour is starting, and right now it's a perfect time to be shooting because the sky is not so bright and the city is still well lit by the atmosphere. So what happens is you don't have to worry so much about the difference between the highlights and the darks. So the dynamic range of the phone is not that great, but at this point it's like perfect to shoot with a phone. So yeah, let's get some more beautiful shots. And like I said, like the telephoto lens, not the sharpest thing in the world, but if I didn't have it, I would not have the shot I'm getting with it. So it's kind of like catch-22. And right now everything's just really beautiful, and I hope you guys are enjoying this video. Once again, check out Brandon's video. Make sure you let him know that I sent you. And yeah, I hope you guys are enjoying my content, you know, and let's keep shooting.